Ooh, is this good or is this creasy? Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Beauty by Niecy here. If this is your very first time, welcome to the Niecy fam. I will want to see you every week when I post a video, so please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. If this is not your very first time, thank you so much for all the support. Today's video is going to be about Fenty. You guys know Fenty just released 50 shades of concealers, 10 more shades of their foundation, some powders, and everybody is going crazy on social media about it. So I got my hands on a couple of the products, and today I want to do a little demo for you. So if you guys want to see what my thoughts are about the Fenty products, please keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back. So yesterday I went to Sephora to make sure that I got my hands on Fenty. So when I went out there, I actually got these three. This is not a new item. This has been around. This is the primer, but I wanted a primer so that it could all be in the same theme and family. So I got the concealer and the setting powder. So today's demo is gonna be pretty much based on these two items. So the concealer is called the Instant Retouch Concealer. This is mine. I got mine for $26, and that is how much is sold everywhere as far as I know. It is about 0.27 fluid ounces, considerably small, so this is high end for me. It has the regular Fenty packaging, frosted glass with this creamy top lid which closes it. When you open it, it has your applicator, your regular doe foot applicator, and I have heard that this applicator actually delivers all the products, so it's pretty good. We'll put that to a test. A few claims about this concealer. It says it's an instant, and I'm reading off Fenty website, it's an instant photo soft coverage for all. It's long wearing, it's lightweight, and it's crease proof. That is a very hard claim, so let's see how it works. And then I got the setting powder. The setting powder also retails for, hold on a minute, let me get my receipt. The setting powder retails for $32. It is pretty big actually. This is the biggest setting powder I have seen. This is 28 grams, that is 0.98 ounces, and pretty big for a setting powder. It has this you know, Fenty has a theme of everything being like hexagonal and quite shapy, if that's a word. So they have that, and when you open it, it does come with this top, which I have already opened it and removed the plastic, but it comes with this top, and this is the powder. This is banana. It does not look yellow like other yellow powders, so it's quite interesting. And yeah, this is it. It has the Fenty here, and then when you open it, the cover also has FB. It's probably gonna be hard to see it, but it has FB engraved in it. So it's very luxurious, very pretty, and it's quite a lot. So if it is really good, you're probably gonna get a lot of use out of this powder. Now the claim of the powder, as I told you earlier, is I have the shade Banana. It is light as air setting, photo soft finish for all. It is super fine, which is true because I tested it at Sephora. It's so fine, it's weightless, and it comes in 8 shades, and it has a photo ready finish on lock. Quite a lot of claims, so I am gonna go ahead and get into the face. So starting off, I am going to prime with the Fenty Pro Filter Instant Primer. I got this little one because I feel like the big one was just too expensive. So I got this little one of Sephora. I'm going to prime that with, I'm going to prime my face with that. And then I'm going to bring you guys a tad bit closer so you can get the full view of the foundation, the concealer, and everything else. So we're ready for the concealer. I am gonna apply it. I am so excited, guys. Let's see. Here we go. So this applicator is pretty good. It does actually deliver all the products that is on it. That is pretty good, because some applicators you have to dip in several times, but this actually delivers all of it, which is pretty good. So I'm gonna spray my Fenty sponge. This is an old one. I got it when I first got my foundation. I need a closer mirror to see how this is looking. Oh, ooh, this is very nice. Huh. Huh. So easy to blend. It is not as full coverage, definitely buildable. But I really love the undertone of this one, because guys, just so you guys know, I have a golden neutral undertone. I used to think that I was warm, but I am not. I actually went to Sephora to get an actual one of their employees helped me find my correct undertone, and she's the one who always will help me with my foundation and concealers, and we decided that I am neutral. So and I know I have golden undertones too, so I've concluded that I'm golden neutral. And this is so nice, and it blends so easily. Whew, this is pretty. So this is just one layer. I am just gonna apply a tad bit, just like a few dots. Because we want to be extra. Now to the powder. So as you guys already know, I've already opened this, so I know how it looks. It is so fine, very fine. It says banana, but it doesn't look banana. It looks almost like, looks very translucent. It doesn't even look banana at all. So let's see. Here we go. This is nice, guys. I'm not even exaggerating. It's like the powder just like sinks into your skin and sets it. Usually this eye, which is my left eye, I do have this fold, and any concealer, even my Huda Beauty, gets in there and it creases. So let's see if it's gonna do that. Just right under here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but right under there, that is a natural fold. I mean, I can't do anything about it. But guys, this is the face. Let me bring you guys just a little bit more closer. So far we're loving this concealer and powder. We're in love so far. Let's see how long we're gonna be in love with it. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna finish off the rest of my face, and then I will be right back with the finished look. Alright guys, welcome back. So this is the finished look. As you can tell, we have the eyes done. We have our contour, bronzer, highlighter, blush, everything, setting powder, setting spray, everything is on the face, and the face is looking beat. This actually is very, very good. My face is still smooth. It has been about an hour since I applied it. I've been upstairs doing stuff and then came back to finish up the face, and it's still looking bomb. I can confidently say that beside the price, because $26 4.28 fluid ounces is pretty up there. Beside the price, I think I love everything about the concealer, and I was gonna say foundation, everything about the concealer and the powder. The powder is the bomb. It is gonna be, if not my favorite powder, because I don't want to jump to conclusions right now. I have to use it several times, but if not the favorite, it's gonna be in one of my, it's gonna be part of my favorite setting powders. So guys, this is the end of the video. Kudos to Fenty, they are kicking butt. Thanks to Fenty for including everybody. This brand is so inclusive, and I am so proud of them. For them, I cannot wait to see all the other stuff that they are ready to release. Thank you guys so much. If you have not subscribed up to this point, please subscribe, because you know you love these videos. And also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. The name is BeautybyBniecy. Join the niecyfam. Don't forget, whenever you leave a comment, hashtag niecyfam. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you in my next video.